I owe you guys a sincere apology. In that video, I come off more as a victim. I am not a victim in any way, form, or fashion in this situation. I'm taking the video down because it doesn't represent me well. I am not taking the video down to try to hide it from you guys or pretend like it didn't happen. I know the video is literally all over the internet, so if you guys wanted to see it, you totally could. I'm taking it off my channel because it does not represent the human being that I am today. And in the video, you guys received more of a reaction on the situation than you did even a response. And I hope that makes sense to you guys, and that is my reasoning for taking it down. Next, I want to talk to you guys about my past and my past tweets and retweets that I have posted. First off, I take full responsibility for the things that I retweeted and the things that I tweeted 6.5 years ago. There were a couple of tweets that came out that weren't real. I will put the ones that are real on the screen, and I am truly sorry. I have changed so much as a human being in the past 6.5 years. I have grown so much and have gained so much knowledge and respect. I know that prejudice and stereotypes are not funny ever in any way, fashion, or form. I know that is nothing to joke about, and I understand that. Through this situation, I have grown and I have learned so much. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.